Good morning, HES. So we're going to do the final award winners of the year. So we're going to start with our Service Above Self. And we do want to thank once again our Rotary Club for sponsoring this award. And it goes out to one third grader who goes above and beyond. So this month's recipient for the Service Above Self Award goes to Sunny Jackson. So congratulations, Sunny. Next awards are our Wildcats of the Month. And once again, we do want to thank our Harrisonville Police Department for sponsoring these awards. So we'll start with our first graders. Our first grade Wildcats of the Month are Emery Sanders and Marcus McCain. Our second grade Wildcats of the Month are Presley Ryman and Abby Enderly. And finally, our third grade Wildcats of the Month are Clay Wolf and Reese Cooper. So congratulations to our award winners this month, and to all of our award winners throughout the entire school year.
Hi Wildcats! It's time for our last awards assembly for this school year. Today we're going to recognize our Mathematician of the Month. This award is given to one student chosen by their classroom teacher that has done an outstanding job within math over the past month. Whether in-class participation, assignments, or practice, they have gone above and beyond what is expected to achieve more in math. Today we are presenting awards to our May Mathematicians. Congratulations to the recipients. Liam Kinney, Elena Hunter, Cora Mays, Haley Brown, Araya George, Sebastian Zoror Guzman, Riley Betts, Charlotte Arnold, Dalton Brown, Brandon Gott, Kaylani Stewart, James Morgan, Tanner Sexton, Clay Wolf, Tucker Gorgo, Abigail Coltrane, Nick Patrick, Harmony Wallace, Brooklyn Gutjar, Kaylin Holt, Dallas Hall, and Skylar Harris. Congratulations, Mathematicians! Now it's time for our Character Trait Award winners for the month of May. The Character Trait Awards are given to two students chosen by their classroom teacher who have exhibited perseverance during the month of May. The recipients always exhibit determination. Congratulations to our award winners for the month of May. Layla Waters, Carly Clausen, Jack Sizemore, Hadley Wyatt, Owen Bross, Madeline Feast, Case Ballantyne, Lane Stevens, Chase Dunsmore Walker, Dee Dee Klinger, Jabriel Besserell, Michaela Coffey, Ronnie Mead, Taylor Vaughn, Easton Schote, Myra Gutierrez Jones, Duke Baldwin, Milena McCubbin, Oakley Gibbons, Emma Woolery, Roman Richter, Arturo Sanchez Marquez, Alexis Danforth, Phoenix Lukehart, Christian Everhart, Cole Violet, Jackson Thompson, Macy Seymour, Mitchell Menino, Jackson Irwin, Kendall Jennings, Lee Lieber, Asher Atkin, Gage Butler, Harper Hansross, Tommy Lash, Josie Oliver, Lana Stevens, Avery Horan, Alex Vanderecken, Yael Guillermo, Logan Mastretta, and Rylan Horn. Congratulations to our Character Trait Award winners for the month of May.
Hi Wildcats! it's hard to believe here we are at our last awards assembly of the school year, and I'm so excited to tell you about our final music award winners. This month, I'm going to give just one class award to a class who's been working really hard all year long in the music room, making wonderful music together. And that class is Mrs. Knopfsinger's Life Skills class. Congratulations. And then I want to recognize some individual music stars. I'm going to start with Miss Arbisi's class. Congratulations to Layla Waters. In Mrs. Baldwin's class, Carson Rogers. In Mr. Baraska's class, Aria George. In Mrs. Hammond's class, Miller Hilbrandt. In Miss Hassick's class, Landon Hessenflow. In Miss Hayden's class, Devin Maliff. And in Mrs. Hopper's class, Summer Brown. In Mrs. Castellano's class, Parker Fugate. Mrs. Durnell's class, Jordan Roach. Miss Harrigan's class, Ariel Ray. Mrs. Hastings' class, Tanner Sexton. Mrs. Schenker's class, Corbin Hackler. Mrs. Siegenthaler's class, Kaylin Holt. And Mr. Waite's class, Ethan Larkham. In Mrs. Arnold's class, Abigail Davis. Mrs. Brown's class, Jade Hendren. Miss Eccles' class, Colton Hess. Mrs. Florence's class, Miles Cummins. Mrs. Holman's class, Nora Davis. Mrs. Jackson's class, Abel Cass. Mrs. Mitchell's class, Chase Petchel. And Mrs. Snyder's class, Adeline Cannonbley. Congratulations, Wildcat musicians.
Good morning, HES. Coach Weichel here. I'm going to announce our May winners for sportsmanship. For our class award, it goes to Miss Eccles' class. Congratulations, guys. Our first graders are going to be Kalia Clark and Kaden Brown. Nice job. Second graders, Lyra Dominic, and Cameron Wolberg. And third grade is going to be Brooklyn Cecil and Gavin Guitar. Congratulations, guys.
Hi Wildcat family, it's Mrs. Henderson, and for this month I just want to announce the art class award winner. For third grade class, Mrs. Hammonds. Congratulations third graders, and have a great summer.